How a Fish Breathes, Level E, by Molly Tittle. Emma watches the fish swimming in the fish tank. Oh, okay. She takes a big breath in, then she lets a big breath out. Emma's breath fogs up the glass. There's the fog. Emma is breathing in oxygen. Oxygen is a gas in the air. Carbon dioxide is also a gas in the air. These gases are invisible. You can't see them. What is a gas in the air that we breathe? Oxygen. All living things need oxygen to live. Oxygen in the air. Humans and animals that live on land have lungs. These are lungs, guys. They're in your chest. When we breathe in, our lungs take in oxygen gas. When we breathe out, our body gets rid of carbon dioxide gas. What do humans use to breathe? Lungs. We use lungs. A fish does not have lungs. No, they don't. How does a fish breathe? How do they get oxygen from the water? Because all living things need oxygen. What does a fish use? A fish uses special organs called gills. Oh, gills. To breathe. Gills are on the sides of a fish near the head. What does a fish use to breathe? Gills. A fish uses gills. Gills look like feathers. They are long and wavy. Gills are on the inside and outside of a fish. Aha! Inside and outside of a fish. Gills are full of blood vessels. Oh, tiny veins. A blood vessel is a tube that carries blood and oxygen through the body. Some blood vessels carry carbon dioxide out of the body. What sends oxygen through the fish? What sends blood and oxygen through the fish? Blood vessels carry the blood and oxygen through the body of the fish. A fish opens its mouth and it fills with water. The water passes through the gills. Right there. Some of the blood vessels in the gills take oxygen from the water and send it through the fish's body. The oxygen gives the fish energy. Where does a fish get oxygen? From the water. From the water. Some of the blood vessels release carbon dioxide gas into the water. A fish does not need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide passes through the fish's gills and goes back into the water. I wonder what eats the carbon dioxide. Just like Emma, the fish breathes in and out. Water moves into the fish's mouth and out through the gills, just like Emma's breathing. The end.